Hello, I just want to welcome you to this new and improved space that I have created for the US and any English-speaking country to showcase all my e-learning work plus all my online training video courses. I have developed all this training in Spanish and English, and it is available for you at hotmart.com with different topics like social media security and video production. Anything that can make your virtual life easy and more productive. You'll find tons of cool tips and tricks on various topics from pre to post-production, all the way to how to consolidate your social media accounts with multiple users and passwords and the reason why. These projects have been created to satisfy a serious need for quick information on subjects like user and password creation, data consolidation, and manage your digital footprint on the internet. I'll be keeping the other page to service the international Latin-speaking countries with the same information in Spanish, Italian, French, and Portuguese among others. You are more than welcome to visit it as well to sharpen your language skills. I want to thank you in advance for your comments, feedback, and constructive criticism. Feel free to visit my website pxp.video and my channels on YouTube and Vimeo, and remember to follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more news and information. My name is Alan Del Gallego, instructional designer, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. See you soon.